and when I've done my morning Pilates, because that is my new thing. Ew, okay. It's 4 degrees and I'm wearing a t-shirt.
This is my main goal in life, is to do like a drive with me.
I love it. Hi guys, so I currently look like shit. And I have a swollen eye. And I feel like shit. That's how my life's going. I was like, okay, so maybe we could film a glow up. I do them every other video. That can't be a thing. And also, I do end up looking the same afterwards. Like, look at me now. It's just catfishing, really. It's not really glowing up. So I thought we'd do a fun thing. And I have no idea what I'm going to title this video. But, you know how you have Pinterest? Obviously, if you don't have Pinterest, then just don't talk to me. Because Pinterest is, like, the peak of my existence. You have they're basically vision boards. They're basically digital versions of that. So I was like, what's the point in having a dream life Pinterest board if I'm not gonna even try and live it? So today and over the next probably 5 months, I'm going to be trying to become my best Pinterest self. For all the boards I do have, one of them is called Single as Fuck. Do I want a boyfriend? No, because every time I just get the ick before he can even say hi. Do you know what I mean? Like, I literally hate men. It's a brand and I'm not mad at it. But I have like a whole nail inspo thing, like a hair thingy I want, and I'm getting a haircut tonight, which is literally why I'm filming this video now. Outfits, makeup, photos I want to take, things I want to do, whatever. And that's why I say it's going to take so long, is because I'm still in freaking tier 2 lockdown. So there's not really much I can do. You know, we're going to live it up, we're going to thrive, we're going to try and live our best Pinterest life. This eye really needs to chill. Like, what is she doing? Also, I have just been on Amigos. If you watched that video, thank you, I love you. Yeah. So this is me now. Do you know what? I sleep with teddy bears now. Like, that has not been a thing for 10 years. And I'm so lonely. This is the current fit. It's not very Pinteresty. Tops from Shein, trousers are from PLT. Yeah, this is a before. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. But this is the before. And I'm going to try and look like a different person for the after. Because I'm really bored of how I look. Like, I don't think I'm ugly. I just am bored, you know? So we're going to switch things up. Okay, Loki, I haven't filmed in a minute. And also, I haven't trimmed my hair. But this is it for now. But we're doing more to it. We'll get to that in a bit. For now, I'm going to get my nails done. And I haven't had them done in so long, I'm so excited. So this is the before. It's my fake, bad, freaking tan. Why is it not focusing? Okay, this is the before. You can kind of see. Anyway, I'm in a rush, so I'm going to go. And I'll see you when I have nails. Okay, my setting spray is drying, which is why my face is wet. But I went and got my nails done, and it literally took 2 hours. I'm freaking annoyed about that. 2 hours! 2 freaking hours! Like, an hour of it was spent freaking filing my nail, which didn't need to be filed any shorter, and half an hour was spent just sat there drying, and it was dry in like 10 minutes, so I was sat there for no reason. Anyway, I'm leaving now to go take photos with my friend, Farah. We all know Farah, we all love Farah. But yeah, these are the nails. I wish they were a little bit longer. Like, these are really short for me. But when I have a tan, I feel like they'll look really, really good. But for now, this is the situation. I'm going to go take photos. Follow me on Instagram so you can see them. And Merry Christmas Eve Eve. Hi guys. So it's been a few days since I filmed. And there's been a little change in plan. So basically, I wanted to do this to my hair. I wanted to go platinum blonde balayage. And I was going to go to a salon and get it all done. And that's what I wanted done literally my whole entire freaking life. And I was finally get it done. But no. Boris put us in tier 4 lockdown, so that's not going to happen. And also, I don't want to like wait to do it in case we come out of lockdown and then go back into a lockdown and then I just have like a half done balayage, because it's going to be like a few sessions. Thought I'd flip it around, do the complete opposite, and now I'm dyeing my hair black. Today I'm looking super, super girly. Look, I have a pink sweater vest, freaking butterfly necklace, pink, purple, yellow and blue eyeshadow, with light brown hair, like all cute and fluffy. Tomorrow, oh my god, tomorrow. Okay, you're gonna see that then, but I'm so excited. It's gonna look so different from this. Let's go dye my hair. Makeup check. She's so cute. She's so girly and so cute. Can you see that? Oh, why does this never focus? Thing is with me as well, I'm very black or white. Like, I will be like super, super girly, super like dressed up, that kind of vibe one day, and then the next I will literally have like dark makeup, dark eyeliner, dark outfits. You get the point. And then the next day I will literally dress like the most freaking boyish boy to ever exist. Like, I'm all over the place. Me dyeing my hair, honestly, could go 2 ways. I could either love it or I could hate it. I know I'm not going to be in between. I'm going to take these lashes off because I don't want to get bleach on my eyelashes, but I am going to leave my makeup on. So I am going to look like a clown in the next clip. Say goodbye to the brown hair. Kiss it goodbye. No? Okay. Well, I don't blame you. It's greasy. Hi, and welcome back to my bathroom. I'm in my dyeing hair t-shirt. As we can see. Also, if you can hear my bathroom fan, I'm really sorry. It's annoying. Oh well. Oh, it stinks. Okay, where?
It's really stinky. Lift your head up. Okay, let your hair. No, stay there, stay there. Sorry. There's a fun button.
5:35. You think I look like Elvis Presley? I think I do a little bit right now.
I think you look like Elvis Presley, love.
But look at this side bun. I think I look like Elvis Presley. My mum doesn't, but I do. Anyway, this is what I look like now, as you can see. I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. And I'll show you when it's wet, and then I'll show you when it's dry, and then I'll show you when it's styled, and then we'll continue with the video. Moment of truth. This eye is now stained from that pink eyeshadow, and this eye is just so dry and crusty from these that now it just looks like I have eyeshadow on 24/7. And this, what is this about? Why do these taste like popcorn? Okay, let's look at my hair now. This is like my favourite thing ever, and it's literally freaking empty, and I can't go buy any more because we're in lockdown. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, I need to tan. If I look this white compared to this black hair, that can't be a thing. Maybe I should make a New Year's resolution to tidy my room, because I do it every single freaking day. Okay, that's a lie. I do it like every 3 days, but it's always a mess. I think it's because it's small. I honestly think small rooms are harder to keep clean. Anyway, I'm going to sit further away so you can't see all the eyeshadow stain on my face. I can't tell if I like it or not yet. I think I do. But I also just can't stop looking at how stained and ugly my eyes are. I just can't wait to see what this looks like when it's dry, dead straight, and with a full face of makeup. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you it dry, and I'm going to recreate Pinterest outfits and Pinterest photo locations, photo shoots. This is me for now. See you when I'm less stained and when I've done my morning Pilates, because that is my new thing. I look like the Lorax. I just did the Lily Sabri 30 minutes full body cardio. Recommend doing it if you want to literally die. I'm gonna have a shower. 11:11, make a wish. So this is my current situation. Yes, I am still sweating, okay? We're gonna ignore that. Kind of in love though. Like I like having dark hair because I know I'm gonna love it so much when it's like straight and I'm actually not looking like the freaking... Anyway, so I have the poses and outfits I want to recreate. One of them being this, because I literally have like very similar trousers. I think these are from Jaded London and these are from Shein. And then this top, I'm trying to find the exact shade of brown because I am that picky. Between this one or this one, this design is a lot similar to the one she's wearing. Okay, we're gonna stick with this. I don't even know why I'm filming because I wasn't even gonna film until after I'd like straightened my hair and done my makeup. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet. So this is a one of a kind clip you will never get again. That's a lie, I say that, you'll probably get one tomorrow. Anyway, goodbye, let me eat and I'll come back when I actually look attractive. I am a catfish. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love this right now. Wow. Me and my sister and I are going out to take photos. Like I said, I'm in the outfit for one of the photos and then I'm going to come home and change and then we're going to take some in the car. I'll show you what I mean. One thing about this photo that really annoys me is she's not wearing rings. That is my thing, is to wear literally like stacks of rings. So Loki really sad about that, but it's fine. But I have on the jewelry she was wearing, like literally this circle thing. She had something above that, but I don't know what it was, so I'm just wearing this one. I don't know what shoes she was wearing, so I'm gonna wear some black Air Force. But yeah, this is the look. Let's go take photos. I feel like we should get my mum's reaction of my hair, so let's go do that. Oh, and I just put in some gold hoops too, if anyone cared. Now you know. Do you like my hair? We're good to go. We've reached a bush and it's really bright. Look, can you see that? That's the sun. Actually, I'm not going to show you because we're literally like down the road from my house. But this is our location. It is the only thing green left in the United Kingdom. Okay, so I need to be like reaching in my pocket and then like playing with my hair. It's 4 degrees and Lily's wearing nothing under this shirt and I'm wearing a t-shirt.
No, I am. I'm wearing this.
Yeah, but that's like nothing. Yeah, we'll stick with that. Okay, we've got a few. Okay, moving on to photo number 2. So first photos are done. Don't know how they turned out yet because it was really bright and I could not see and now my eye is watering. Now we're moving on to this other photo where the girl does not have dark hair, but that's besides the point because we're doing my own Pinterest boards. You get me? This is the photo we're doing now. I think instead of putting on my black Air Force, I'm going to put on my white Nikes. Okay, we have two options. Number one, the same shape but a different colour, or the same colour but a different shape. She's got hoop earrings in, I've got hoop earrings in. She's wearing bracelets, so I'm going to find some gold bracelets. Or actually, do you know what? Instead of putting on a gold bracelet, I'm going to put on this gold watch. Also, it does not fit my wrist, but you know, we move. Maybe I'll put a bracelet on next to it. Okay, we'll just work with the watch. I mean, we could always go a step further and have two watches, but I don't plan on doing that. Let me get changed and we'll be back. Guys, it's Izzy back from the future. I just spent the last 24 years trying to put this earring in. Also, let me let you in on a little secret. I had a pair of gold studs in year 7 and I did lose them in the girls' changing room. And I haven't bought a new pair since because they've either been too big or too small. So this is the only side of my face that's going to be seen. So I'm only going to put one earring in. But don't be exposing me on my Instagram, okay? Also, look how healthy my hair looks. I know I've just dyed it and I have straightened it, but it looks so shiny and healthy and I love it. Trips to your crib in the middle of the night. I know that you miss me because I put it down right down, babe. Fun fact. I hate bobby pins, so when I do sleek buns, I end up putting about 9, 10, 11, 12 hairbands in, so that I don't have to put bobby pins in. Oh my god, we're gonna have to keep going. We got it! Okay, we got a sleek bun. Now let me explain to you the outfit, because this one's a little bit different. I do not have a YSL top, so we're wearing this because this is the only top I have that's black and it has like graphic designs on the front. All my other ones have it on the back, and I don't really want to wear a top backwards, because I feel like someone's going to find out. So we're wearing this one. Also, these jeans, they're a slightly different shade to hers, but I did roll them at the bottom so they're a bit nicer. And I don't have white Air Force, so we're using these. These are cooler, okay? See you in the car. Okay, if I was to drive right now, you would fall off. But lucky for you, I can't drive. Oh my god. We have a coffee, like the girl in the photo. Once again, Lily's here. I think I'm going with the black glasses. Lovely invention. Right, in the thingy, it looks like she had like a diamond ring on this hand, on her ring finger, and then on the other one there was like a gold swirly one. So I got the snake. Do you know, I think she was from America, so she probably didn't have this massive wheel in the way. Am I even filming? Yeah, okay. Imagine. My mum told me not to put dirty shoes in the car, so I got my clean ones. I can't do my hair with a low bun. Are you Oh! Are you recreating them too? Yeah. Oh my god, wait, look. She's wearing, oh my god, we're matching. That is so fun. Lily's closer to it than I am because she's actually got a photo on the front. I can't, can you help me do my hair? Yeah, I'll do that in a sec. And she's got a lighter colour of jeans. Okay, Lily's doing this way better than I am. You can borrow my rings if you want. Imagine if I wore them like this. 3 blind mice. Hang on, how was her hand positioned again? Could you go onto Pinterest? It was on the other side. Oh, you're right. Okay, wait a second. I can't get it. I feel like a mannequin. I'm so stiff right now. Can you get the poo bags? What? Poo bags in there. Oh, I thought you were calling me a poo bag. Can I see some of them? Oh, I was talking. When me and, okay, hang on. Let me give you a little story time. When me and Farah go out to take photos, we always have like a conversation while we're taking photos. So most of the photos end up like, and it never works out. And we end up spending like an extra half an hour than we should have, just because we were having a nice little chat. Do you know, I think that's as close as we're gonna get. You've done a really good job, thanks Lil. Wow, didn't you wish you had a sister like me who gave you all her stuff? Me acting as if I didn't say no to you every single time you asked to use my straighteners. I wanna, okay, this is my main goal in life, is to do like a drive with me. Look how cool this is. Can you, would you watch this back? Lily doesn't watch any of my videos, she's literally a fake fan. Right, this is a genuine thing. Imagine living where you live. Hang on, doesn't make sense. Imagine having a house, and first of all having good Wi-Fi that reaches every single room, and second of all, having service. You will not get a single bar of service in my household, and if you're lucky, you'll get 2 bars of Wi-Fi. Do you know what? I can't complain. I have a house. I have coffee to drink. I have a sister. Welcome back to Lily's channel. Look, she looks way better than I do. This isn't fair. What kind of mockery is this? How did she do this? Relax your face. You just look fake. Stop pouting. Yes, there we go. There we go. And I got your foot in because you're so short. Oh my god, lucky you. Stop. This isn't fair, Lily. What? Oh, you went out my nose. Ew, I'm not drinking that. Oh my god.
if you're a real one, in like a couple of my videos ago, oh sorry, thank you, I said about how I want to have a car and I want to have a daily scream. So now I'm in the car, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm literally screaming because my neighbours are not a fan of anything over here. Hi, and welcome to Lily and Izzy's Daily Scream. Should we have a theme tune? That was stunning. Okay, right, what's your daily scream going to be about? I have a daily scream. Oh my god, I have a daily scream. Mum does this. She puts the toilet roll on so it goes under rather than over. Do you know what I mean? So when you pull it, it goes from under. Like, that is the wrong way to do it, Julie.
I would about school, but I didn't talk about it too much. I don't want to put myself in a bad mood.
Okay. We like the positive energy we're creating over here. Oh, also it's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. Before it becomes 2021, I'm going to write a list of like negative things that I don't want to bring into 2021 and I'm going to burn it. So you can see me really become my best Pinterest self. Because Pinterest girls do not have negativity in their photos. So I don't want negativity in my life. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get back into the house. Bye. Bye. Oh, hello. Right, ladies and gents, we're on to the last photo. Once again, I'm out of breath from walking up my stairs. That can be a goal in 2021. Photo number 3. I'm gonna draw a tattoo on my neck. I didn't even notice there was a tattoo on her neck until about 3 seconds ago. And I can't figure out what it says. So we're just gonna follow what I can see. Oh, and also she's wearing a white top. Got it! Photo, you can't see her hands or anything, so I don't need rings. She's not wearing any jewelry at all, and you can't see her ears to check if she's wearing earrings. Let me go off camera and do this makeup and sort my eyeliner out. All that jazz, and I'll come back and we'll go take some photos. I want to look like this every day. Okay, lighting's tragic because I can't bother to turn my ring light on, but this kind of flopped. We don't talk about it. I want to wear my makeup like this every day. Period poop. Let's go take these final photos. Wow, this has been a fun video. Oh, it did nearly fall over. Once again, sorry about my bathroom fan. Nothing I can do about that one, so you're gonna have to live with it. Oh, I didn't put my contact in, hang on. Oh, we got there in the end, ladies and gents. Oh, also, fun fact, this is a blind contact, so I can't see anything out this eye. I feel like this is not the right location. Let's go and search for another one. Oh, if this angle's ugly, I literally don't even care at this point. It's been a long day. Great. Oh, my hair needs to be messier, first of all. Yeah, treat it like bitch. Okay, we got a couple good ones. Oh my god, wait, I just need to edit the photos. Okay, let me take this up so I can see. I'll edit a couple of photos so that they look like the ones on the screen. I'll show you, and then we're done. Yes, I ordered more clothes. What about it? And yes, I just fell over my blanket. What about it?
It's 4:52 p.m.
I was fully ready for her to say like 7, 8 o'clock. What the frickle frack? Okay, on the screen now is going to be a side-by-side of the photos we took. Here's a before of me. And here's an after of me. But yeah, these are the photos. Snazzy, huh? My favourite one, I think, from what I know so far, is the one in the car. The one in by the bush was my least favourite, just because it was really hard to work with. And also this old woman like stopped and said, "It's New Year's Eve, so I thought I'd give you a few of my New Year's resolutions, just to put you in the right direction too, in case you want any of mine." I don't really have loads right now, I just have a couple. I've got no social media 30 minutes before bed. Let's see how that goes. To be fair, I do have like a couple books I could read, and I do meditate before I go to bed. I just end up going on my phone after I meditate, so it's honestly easy to work around. Eat 3 meals. You need to eat 3 meals too, okay? It's important. It's hard, but it's important, okay? Meditate every day. I freaking love meditating. The other one I have is compliment myself 5 times a day. Because sometimes I do wake up and I'm like, ew, what the fuck? But other times, I'll be like, damn. And I need to be like, damn, every day. Those are the things I have now. I'll let you know if I come up with any more. I probably will, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed me literally change my full-on appearance. I love it. I love it. I'm going into 2021 a new woman. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video because my battery is ragingly flashing. Ragingly. Okay, we don't have time to debate whether or not that is a word. Let me know what you thought of this video down below. Let's not lie, you freaking loved it. But yeah, follow me on my social media. Hope you guys have the best freaking new year ever. Ever! Oh, I spat everywhere. Okay, but I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!